Understanding surprise party, a fun guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and fun phrase, surprise party. Whether you're planning one or just curious about this common English phrase, you're in the right place. Let's get started. A surprise party is a special event, usually a celebration, organized secretly for a person who is not made aware of it until it happens. The key element here is secrecy and unexpectedness. It could be for birthdays, promotions, farewells, or any other occasion worth celebrating. The person for whom the party is thrown is called the guest of honor. Surprise parties are thrown to celebrate someone special, showing appreciation and affection. It's a way of creating a memorable moment, making the person feel valued and loved. These parties often involve careful planning and coordination to keep the event a secret. The element of surprise adds excitement and makes the celebration even more memorable. In many cultures, surprise parties are a popular way to celebrate. They signify community, joy, and the importance of relationships. These events bring people together and often involve elaborate decorations, food, music, and sometimes even themes. They are a testament to the effort friends and family are willing to put in to make someone feel special. Planning a surprise party can be tricky. Here are some tips. 1. Secrecy is key. Ensure everyone involved knows it's a surprise. 2. Choose the right date and time. Pick a time when the guest of honor is free and least expecting a party. 3. Coordinate with guests. Use group chats or emails to communicate. 4. Pick a theme. Themes can make the party more fun. 5. Have a plan B. Always be ready with a backup plan in case something doesn't go as expected. And that's a wrap on surprise party. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also the joy and excitement it represents. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about culture and emotions. Keep learning and stay surprised. See you in our next video.